People were asking me that how do you create these type of images and this type of graphics. So today I will give you the answer of that. So let's see how we can create these type of images graphics by using Canva. So do you want to create amazing Instagram posts, amazing videos, graphics, pictures, presentations, etc. So you can create all the things in one platform, that is Canva. So let's start with Canva today. So here you will search about the Canva, and then after searching Canva you will visit this website canva.com, and after visiting this website you will see the interface like this. Here you will see login option and sign up option, and if you have already made an ID here then you can log in, otherwise you will just click here on sign up and then you can sign up using these things. Continue with Apple, Google or Facebook, or you can continue with email also, or you can continue another way. You can see it here. So you can sign up from anything and then you will just log in here. You will log in so as to save the things. You will not log in, then the things will not get saved there. So that's why. So it is available for mobile also. Application is available for mobile also. Its software is also available for computer. Like I am using the Canva software. You can see it here. This is a Canva software. So let me open my software. So I will open my software now. So this is my software of Canva. So now let's see how we can create the Instagram post. So I will click here on create a design. And here you can see you can create multiple things here. So we have to create an Instagram post. So we will just click here on the Instagram post. By default its size is 1080 into 1080 pixel. So we'll click it there and then it will open. Untitled design. And design will be like this, blank page. So what you have to do is first of all you have to give the title like I'm giving it. Instagram post, and after that this is blank, so you can very easily create an Instagram post. Like you can see it here, templates, and here you will select like this. You can select this template here. Let us pray for the peace in the world. So you can see so nice interface it is giving to us, this template. So we can make a post on this thing also. Like you can see there is a image that is at the background. We can also change that. Like if we want to make it as a tech post, technology post, so what we will do it here, we will go here on the images. Like this is here photos, and here on the photos we will search here technology and enter. So related to technology, so many images will come to. Like I will select this and just drag here like this and just stop. So you can see it is looking so nice here. And below here I can write my name here. You can write your name here, like I'm writing here Sahil Batra. Okay, so you will write your name. Now we have to write here any quote about the technology. So we can write here a quote also, or we can write anything else here. So like I will just paste here a quote, like I had selected it. So I will just paste here this time. Programming isn't about what you know, it's about what you can figure out. So this is the code that we will use here. So let me do it like this. So it is looking proper now. Now I will just change the font here. Like it is looking okay. Programming isn't about what you know, it's about what you figure out. Like I want to give red color to this program. I will select it and then I will click here on the red. It will give it the red color as you can see it here. And I will remove this out. This thing. It is looking okay. Not so much good, but it is looking okay. And you can make it in the center like this, as you can watch here what it is showing. Let me just remove this image and now you can see it. You can see these dots that are coming. So according to dots you can make it in the center like this. And how to view these dots? For that you have to click on here file and then show margins. Other than that you can also show the rulers. We will click here. It will show you the rulers that where it is present here right now. And you have also option show print view. It will show you this print grid here. Okay, so I don't want this ruler and I don't want this print grid. So I will just work with the margins, and I want a good image. I don't like that image. I want to change the background here. So what I can do, I can select any color here to change the background. It is looking nice. Okay, but no, it is not looking nice to me right now. So what to do now? So I will go here. I will go here. You can see it like I will select this, and you can see there are different type of options here that you can choose. Like I can choose this thing. Is it looking good? Yes, it is looking good. Or I can choose this thing. It is also looking good. And I can also choose this thing. It is also looking okay. So there are so many backgrounds here. You can see it. These are recently used backgrounds that are landscape patterns, etc. So if I want a dark background, I will just search a dark and enter, and so many dark backgrounds will come. Right now there are a few dark backgrounds, so you can select like this. This background is looking okay, and you can select it and click here. So this is looking okay here. But what if I want a particular background by changing its particular color? So for that, I will select here and I will just edit the colors of that. Like my background is like this, like this one, you can see it here. So I want to change some little bit of color. What I will do, I will just select this color and then I will click on the plus option and there you can change the color little bit like this. My background is little bit dark bluish, so I will change it to that thing here, this thing. So I think it is looking okay. So like this, you can create an Instagram post successfully. So if you want to make more designs, if you don't like this one, then you can make another design also. What you have to do is you have to click here. What it will do, it will duplicate the page. So you can see it here, page 2 has came, it has duplicated the page here. So now you can change the background also. If you don't like that background, so you can go out here and you can choose this background also. Someone like this type of background also. And we can change more backgrounds. Like we don't like this color here. So we can change the color. Like I want yellow. Yellow is not looking nice. It is also not looking nice. Black is looking okay. So you can change it like that. And you can also change the color here. Like I will change the color of this to blue. So let's see it is looking good or not. It is looking okay. So like this, you can change the colors also. You can change the things also. Like here I will do blue and here I will do it green. So let's see how it is looking. So it is looking a little bit okay or not. So like this, you can change the colors also. You can change the background also. And you can duplicate the things and then find out which thing is best for you. And you can also add the elements in it. Like I don't want this one. I will remove this. I can add one element. Like I will click here on the elements. Then you can see there are so many elements here, like shapes are there, graphics are there, stickers are there, photos, videos, so many things. I want something related to programming. So I will search here programming. So you can see it here. There are so many graphics that are related to programming. I will select graphics. So now I will select this thing. So you can place this thing here also. It is not looking okay in this background. It will look okay in this one. So I will place it here like this. Here. So now it is looking okay or not? And if I want to reduce the size, I will just do it here, reduce the size. So I will just do it to 65 to reduce the size. And I can also make it to center also here so that it look out good. So I've had made it to center and I will do it downwards. So now it is looking okay, little bit okay, not so much good, but little bit okay. Now I can add the graphics here also like this. Let me reduce the size little bit more, like 45. 45 is very less. 50. 50 is also less. 55. 55 is a little bit okay. So I can do it like this here. And here I can add my graphics. So now it is looking a little bit more good or not? Yes, it is looking a little bit more good. So like this, you can do your adding of elements here. So you had added the elements also here. And you had added the text also, change the effects also, change the color also, and change the background also. So many things you had done here. Like let me change its background. Let me add one image. So I will search here on photos and I will add this image here. So it is looking a little bit nice. Use this image here. So it is looking a little bit nice. So like this, you can figure it out what things you want to do and you can do it here using Canva. Like I'm creating Instagram post, you can also create Instagram post very successfully, very nicely. So we had used your elements, we had used text, we had used background, we had seen the colors also. We can change from here. What else we can do it here? So we can also do some more things like we can flip this. Like we had selected it, we can click here on flip. So we can flip it to horizontal if we want to do it to rightwards, or we will flip it back to its original position, or we can flip it vertically like this. So if you want to flip, you can flip. Otherwise, you can rotate from it on a particular angle. Like if you want this angle, so you can use this angle. I want this one, so I am using this one. And by selecting this, you can also change the position of that. You want top, middle, or bottom. like I had done in bottom, it is not looking nice. So I will make it again back here. And you can also animate the things. Animation is for that if you want to show the presentation. Like I will click it here, it will animate and come like this. But I don't want it in any presentation, so I will not animate it. So it is looking good now. So let's download this. So I will click here on the share option, and here I will click on the download option. And when we will click on download, it will download all the three parts of that. So I will click here on the download, and it will download for me. So it is downloading here. So I will download it in my desktop, save. So it will come like this. You can see it here in zip file. So I have to extract it. I will extract it, and after extracting, you can see it here. All the three images will come here like this. This is the first one, and this is the second one. This is the third one. So this is how you can create the Instagram post very nicely. And if you want to download a single item, only a single item, then what you can do? You can click it here on share and then download. And then you have to select from here. Not all pages, but only the first page I want this. So if I want first page, I will just select first page, done, and then download. So it will just download for me that. Let's say it is downloading it for me. So let me save here. So you can see that it has been downloaded here, Instagram post.png, first page only. So this is how you can create your post very nicely. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll meet you next time.